Hello everyone, I am Alex, CEO from i3 Automations, and today my goal is to show you how can you add the Ethernet card to the Unit Pro XL. Let's get started. So this is the PLC, this is the N340, I think you saw before, but if not, this is the PLC that we gonna add, we need to add the Ethernet card. So let's disconnect. I was connected to the PLC, so I will disconnect it from the PLC and I go to the networks. So I was connected through the USB before, right? I show here before USB, and now let's go to the add the Ethernet card. Okay, and you need confirm. Okay, double click here, double click over there and choose the correct CPU with Ethernet card. In my case, gonna be this one that you can see right now here. All right, let's go to the IP configuration, and over there let's type the correct IP address for this this Ethernet card that we need set up right now. So this is the subnet mask. Okay, let's go over there, make sure that the changes are done and close. Now let's go to the Ethernet 3 and double click over there, and you're gonna see over there the channel 3, and over there in function choose the Ethernet TCP IP, and after that the netlink Ethernet 1, this is that we did before. So make sure the changes are done and go to the build changes. So I'm gonna build everything, and you can see if okay, no errors and just one warning. Okay, now let's do download. Okay, do download to the PLC. We are in USB right now, right? We are doing download to the PLC, but through the USB cable, right? Now let's switch to the Ethernet cable. Okay, now I need go to the, before then this, let's do the CMD command, because I need to make sure that the PLC and my PC is communicating very well. So let's do the CMD command prompt, and let's type the IP address that I set to the PLC, because I did download to the PLC. Now the PLC knows the IP address, right? Because we already did the download to the PLC, and right now let's ping the 192.168 0, 10. Oh, right, this is good. That means, okay, my PC can see the PLC right now. So now let's connect to the PLC, okay? PLC set address, and instead of Cs, we're gonna choose the TCP/IP, and in the address we need put the correct address for the IP address that we already did, 192.168.0.10. Oh, this is good. That means SUSFOR is connected to the current connected settings. That's okay, and over there you can see the TCP/IP now is connected. Connect. Alright, so right now the PLC, I'm connecting to the PLC through the Cat6, the Ethernet cable, and now that's it. This is just I'd like to show you today. Alright, see you next video. Bye.